have one in the Philippines, real one. Hi everyone, so today is Friday. Halloween diri sa Canada, guys. So magbalay-balay na pumiyon niya para magkuha og mga candy and chocolates para ready na para mo limig Pilipinas. Naman sa man kung naong imbis nahiwi man ang drawing. Nara ang drawing oh. Basta na imong naong costume. No, konsum lang na nga na. So narag isa diri busy. Nagulat pa mi ni nagulat pa mi sa young daddy, nagulat pa mi ni Brent, guys, kay magsabay mi mag happy Halloween mi unya. Okay guys, see ya later. Pakaonon sa na ako ni sorry. Okay, bye! See ya! Magpakaon sa inyong iring, guys. Pakaon sa niya yung mga kittens. Nagluto man kong sabaw. So mga 1 week na siguro naman kinaunay ng sabaw nung kaya siyempre na. Ano naman ito maluto nga? Pang kinsinas pa ay pang isa kasimana. Maluto tag sabaw pang isa kasimana na. Wala na sa imong naong? I'm a cat girl.
Barn cat.
I'm a barn cat. Get ready, guys, for a trick and treat. Yes, everyone. We're just going to the neighbor first. Are we going to George first?
No, we're going to Ed first.
No, we're going.
Well,
It's cold.
can you not see?
We're in the first house.
The other door.
The other door.
Dummy.
You're dumb.
It's cold. Come on.
Not correct.
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Come on in. Come on in.
Hey,
That looks good. Here you go, hon.
Yay! Trick or
Welcome.
treat.
Oh, you're welcome. You look great. Oh, you're SWAT. You're scary. Oh, ho, ho. I hope that's not tear gas.
Have a good day.
You have a good one too,
Okay.
guys. You're going across the street. to
Yes.
Tiffany's? Yeah.
Okay, bye, Marley.
Well, bye-bye. Have a good one. I hope you get lost.
Oh, we will.
Tiffany's next door.
Yeah,
Oh, you got
nice.
pumpkin.
No, stop taking video.
Okay, come on, guys.
Stop video.
Get those candies. Stop it! Stop it! What are you wearing? Your face. You get left.
Boring.
Why?
Trick or treat, Ori. Trick or treat.
No? Roll away.
Adult one.
Mer-
Oh, you have Coke. Why you have 2 Coke?
No, this is Coca-Cola and Pepsi.
Why you have 2?
Because I give them two.
Oh.
Here, do you want one of those? Get that?
Thank you.
Here. Who wants
Here's one in case you get thirsty on your drive.
Thank you. Transfer that thing here so that you can have more.
The door's open.
What
I
door?
don't know. Is that always on now?
Yes. Okay, transfer that one here in the bag.
You going to Max?
Transfer, yes. Transfer that one here.
Oh, it's gonna be fun.
No.
There's no space.
Yeah, that's why you have to transfer that first. So you can have more space. Transfer it to you.
Mom's yelling at you.
Mom's gonna yell at me forever.
Grab it.
We're here now, neighbor.
We're at another neighbor.
Yes, my condoners. Come on, come on. Trick or treat. Oh, I don't wanna die. I don't wanna run because it's slippery. Oh, look at those pumpkins here. Oh, they are so ready for Halloween. Hello! Trick or treat!
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat! Oh, look at those.
Scary.
Look at
Are you
those.
gonna arrest him? Huh? Are you gonna arrest him because he's scary?
No.
No. And your mom's a kitty cat?
Again.
Come
Those
on in.
Halloween
Come on in.
costumes.
Do you wanna? They look pretty good, you guys. Do you wanna see my
Oh my
scary
God, I love
bitch?
that one.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, there she goes, isn't she? Huh? She doesn't turn as good as she's supposed to, but come on, you move. There she goes. Oh, she's old. It's loud though, eh?
Yeah.
And then there's this one. Here, come on in.
Come on, Ori.
There's her. Right there.
That's the real one. We have one in the Philippines. Real one.
The real one. And then look what this guy does.
Oh, there you go.
And this shit. Huh?
You guys went all out today.
Oh, we go all out. Like him?
They're going vibrating today.
That's cool, right? Yeah. Let's go.
There's the candy. Woo!
Candy for
Hey,
you.
Snickers.
Yay!
Oh, I didn't even, there were varieties, so if you like one kind better than the other, try to do
That
that.
one.
You want that one?
Oh, I
One
also
for your
have.
mom.
I also have.
One for your mom.
Thank you so much.
Why? Why do you like candy?
He doesn't need candy,
Yeah, you
sorry.
can go buy all the candy in the world.
Oh, yeah.
The barn kitty also got one, guys.
That's not a
Ta-da!
barn kitty. You're a grown man.
Oh my God! I'm a barn kitty. Kitty, kitty
You're a
cat.
grown man.
Quiet.
You're a grown man.
Guys, nilalamig ako. Saka may bitbit akong backpack, guys. Para ilagay namin yung mga ano namin dito. Dito lang kami sa malaking bahay. Come on, Ari. Wala pa masyadong mga bata, guys. Pero may mga bata na doon. We go this way, Ori. Maaga pa kasi. May araw pa.
Well, you know we have to walk on the road.
Ha?
You know we have to walk on the road.
Mukha ko para talaga. I don't know if we can go there. There's no pumpkin. I don't think they're handing candy. Hindi kami pumupunta sa mga bahay, guys, na walang mga pumpkin.
Ow! Ow!
Ah! Nandito kami sa mga
Ankle! You're my ankle.
sa ano nung
I wanna go trick or treat there.
tawag yan. Ito kami sa malaking bahay.
Mom, trick or treat there, Mom. Maybe they don't know where.
I don't know if they
There's
have.
pumpkin, Mom.
Okay, we go here.
There's pumpkin.
There's pumpkin.
Yes.
You got lots there? Yes. Are you not cold? Hey, you're not cold?
No.
Look at those. You got
Scary.
that. Scary.
This place is scary.
There's kids there. They got their wagon. Come on.
Where did PJ go?
I'm eating my treats. Look at those. Ooh. Hey. Oh my God, that looks so nice. Hi, trick or treat.
Trick or treat. Try to play some music, but it's not playing.
It was good, Mom.
Transferring the candy in the bag.
No, I just want one. Honey.
You're not eating your candy.
Please, Mom. These are my favorite. I can't. Mom, here.
Scary.
What day is it today?
It's so cute.
Halloween. See your Halloween?
I
Look at that guy.
Wow.
Touch it.
Maybe. I'll touch you.
How about this guy?
I have to get this one down. That's what
I like
would
that
do.
one.
Wow.
This one's kind of got up in the wind.
Oh.
That's something not going to go.
Look what I have here. Two of these. Want to try one? Feel it's really soft.
You guys are so busy decorating.
See? Isn't that nice? What else do we have up here? I'm sure you need something to eat.
It's getting dark, guys. Not much kids this year.
Well,
I
Mom.
think we can go there. There's a pumpkin.
Well,
There's only witch there. Last year, guys, there's a lot of kids in here. Maybe because it's still early. It's not dark yet. Nagsayo mi para mahuman mi sayo kay tugnaw. Hey, come on. Naon sa maning take or treat ako may nagunit ani ihang kuan. Go. That's enough eating your candies. Put that there. Okay, go trick or treat. Go. Guys, it's already 6:23. It's not even dark yet. Gusto nang bumalik ni Ore.
go back.
Here, dear, this way. We're going back this way.
Wait, no.
Yes.
No.
No.
I'm lost. We're lost, Mom.
No, you are lost. I'm not. Guys, balik na daw kami sa bahay ni Grandma.
Mommy, we're lost.
No, we're not lost.
Mom, why are we doing
He's already tired. Our backpack, it's not full yet. He's already tired.
Mom, I want to go back that way.
Oh, where are you going back to Grandma?
Yeah.
Oh, this way.
No.
Grandma is this way.
No.
Yes.
No, stop.
Your guy's costume is so cute. Look at that. Oh, there's a bunch of kids now coming out, guys, because it's getting dark. Everyone's coming out.
Yeah, the longer it gets, the more kids it gets.
Yes. And why are you tired?
I don't know.
Huh?
I just want to go back. I want to eat something candy.
But I think the school will get upset. The school will get upset? Probably. Yeah, plus you could hurt someone, right? But at least with the chemicals, they keep it a little bit more contained. But why don't you call Maitland tomorrow?
It's already dark, guys. Look at those there. Hindi pa kami nakawait. It's almost 7 na. Woo! Trick or treat! So there's a lot of kids coming out now, guys. Naiihi ako, karang ko munang bumalik doon sa bahay ng mother-in-law ko. Nakauwi na kami sa bahay, guys. It's already 7:37. Hindi na kami pumunta sa malayong bahay. Konti lang yung pinuntahan namin. Tsaka ito yung puno yung bag ng candies at chocolates, guys. Tsaka yung kapitbahay namin, mga ganito yung mga binibigay nila. May mga soft drinks at chocolates. Ito yung bag. Puno yan, guys. Puno. Si PJ, hindi siya sumama sa amin kasi may nag-trick or treat sila ng mga kaibigan niya sa school. So, yun lang, guys, for today's vlog. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!
Well, Mom,
Lots of candy, guys. Sorting candy.